What's going on, guys? We just got back from Rugged Maniac. If you guys don't know what that is a 3-mile run with obstacles throughout the course. It was a real blast, and it was the best way to get Johnny's birthday started. As you can see, your boy's a finisher. Throughout the run, I had the pleasure in running these all red Air Max 270s. They were really comfortable, but I got them really beat up. So we'll be using Reshoevn8r products to bring the shoe back to life. So without further ado, let's get it started. For this cleaning, we're gonna be using Reshoevn8r Signature Shoe Cleaning Kit. We gotta get these shoes through the washing machine to properly flush out all the mud and sand from the mud run. But first, let's take out our laces and insole and put this shoe to the side.
Pause, it's the other shoe. We always clean the right shoe now.
Oh. We gotta put these shoes through the washing machine to get all the mud and sand properly flushed out from the shoe. First things first, let's put the shoe to this. Was it this one?
Yeah.
First things first, we're gonna put the left shoe to the side for before and after purposes. Next, we're gonna take out our lace and insole. Just wanna say, you guys, the mud run was a lot of fun. Originally, I was gonna train for it 2 weeks ahead of the time because I don't work out like Johnny and Steve. Johnny and Steve put in mad work in the gym every single day. So my original game plan was to start working out at least 2 weeks before the actual run. Due to my crazy schedule, I had the biggest shoot of all year that exact week of the mud run. So I couldn't really train for it properly. So I went in there with no training at all, didn't do any miles. I was honestly kind of scared. I was pretty nervous. I was just gonna tank the whole thing, not even finish. But throughout the whole course, I had awesome support from the whole team. Johnny, Steve, and Connor really came through. When I was starting to feel it down, they came by, picked me back up, and we finished the race together. Honestly, it was a lot of work. I was really tired at the end of that race, but I would definitely do it again. Next, we're gonna grab our shoe tree, adjust it to size, and pop it inside our shoe. Shoe tree's in. Next, we're gonna grab our water and our 4-ounce bottle of solution and squirt 2 squirts. All prepped, ready to go. The first brush we're gonna use is our soft bristle brush to start breaking down all the mud, sand, and dirt on the uppers. Uppers are looking really good. Overall, I love the shoe throughout the run. The color obviously pops, but the performance of the shoe is great. The air unit in the back really helps throughout the run. Usually right around the 2-mile mark, I start feeling pain in my legs. I don't know if it was all the stretching I did before the actual run or the air units in the back of the shoe, but I did not feel that pain at all. So I'm considering making this my go-to running shoe. All right, uppers look good. Let's take out our shoe trees and move on to the insides. All right, you guys, uppers are looking great. There is a little bit of sand and mud trapped inside the material, but the washing machine will flush all that stuff out. Now we're gonna move on to our next brush, which is our medium, to take care of the air units, plastic areas, and midsoles. On to the last brush. We gotta clean up these soles using the stiff bristle brush. Shoe is good to go. Before we put the shoe inside the single laundry bag, we gotta take care of the insole and laces. We're gonna put our lace inside our leftover water and solution. The insole isn't too bad, but we're gonna give it a quick scrubbing anyway. To the washing machine. Whenever you're putting your shoes inside the washing machine, you want to use cold water with the regular cycle.
What's going on, Reshoevn8r Nation? We have teamed up with our good friends over at Kicks World to give you guys a chance at winning a pair of Travis 6 British khakis in your size. All you have to do to enter is click the link in the description below and follow 3 easy steps. You must be following Kicks World on Instagram, sign up for Reshoevn8r's newsletter, and comment your shoe size in the actual widget to be considered an entry. The giveaway ends June 30th. Good luck. Now let's get back in today's video.
Alright guys, that is going to bring us to an end on this full cleaning on these all red Air Max 270s. All in all, this was a simple cleaning thanks to our Reshoevn8r signature shoe cleaning kit. We used all 3 brushes to properly clean up the shoe inside and out. Then we put the shoe inside the single laundry bag to fully flush out all that mud, sand, and dirt that got collected during the rugged maniac. Remember, if you guys are planning on doing a mud run, the signature shoe cleaning kit is the perfect kit to clean up the aftermath. Again, I had a blast going out there with the guys on Johnny's birthday. It was really awesome to conquer that course and going at that huge slide with Johnny at the end. Looks like I'm about to start working out for the next one. Let me know what you guys want me to wear next. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Vic Almighty. Catch you guys next time. Peace.